Hey guys, Devamitra one more time. A very warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all of you. Hope you guys are enjoying my session. Okay, so guys, in my previous session, I have talked about the market booming technology that is Monstack, and right now I am going to talk about the job responsibilities of a Monstack developer. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So master developers are responsible for writing reusable, testable, and efficient code and developing and designing front-end web applications. They are in charge of applying CSS methodologies and tools into creating complete website. So what is the job profile of a master developer? Before we jump into the job profile of a master developer, let's take a look at what Munstack is exactly. In my previous session, I have already talked about the technology, but in this session, I'm going to give you a short explanation about it. Okay, so Munstack is a set of software subsystems from application for application development, which includes MongoDB, ExpressJS, React.js, and Node.js. Okay, technology. So the combination of these four technologies allows MERN developers to create complete websites using React, JavaScript. Okay, and on the client side, front end, and Node.js on the server side, that is backend. In recent days, MERN stack has been gaining popularity and is now likely to be used extensively since a lot of new applications are now built in JavaScript. So responsibilities. MERN stack developers are primarily charged of developing and designing front-end web architecture and building interactive consumer data from multiple systems. They define code architecture decisions to support high performance products. More often than not, MERN developers are responsible for translating wireframes and PSD designs into functional web applications. So, uh, the work with development teams and managers to ideate software solutions and are responsible for developing well functioning database and applications. Monstack developers both conduct and are a part of project planning and scheduling, design discussions, and are responsible for addressing and improving any technical issues when they arise. So, what are the responsibilities of a Monstack developer? Developing and designing front-end web architecture, building interacting consumer data from multiple systems, define code architecture decision to support high-performance products, translate wireframes and PSD designs into functional web applications, work with development teams and managers to ideate software solutions, developing well-functioning database and applications, conduct and participate in project planning and scheduling and design discussions, test software to ensure efficiency, address and improve any technical issues. So what kind of skills are needed to be a Monstack developer? Monstack developers have in-depth knowledge of Node.js, Express.js, and Restify, and have the ability to build UI elements to JavaScript object models. They have experience creating RESTful services with Node.js and are proficient in OOPS and database concept. The developers usually have proven experience in front and back end development and have the ability to create front end application using HTML5 Angular JS. Okay, so they also have knowledge of modern frameworks and design patterns and are able to create unit and integration tests to ensure the quality of code. In terms of soft skill, Monstack developers have strong problem solving and analytical skills and must possess the discipline it takes to work as a developer. They must also be both productive and self-motivated. Okay, so what are the skills of a Monstack developer needs? The in-depth knowledge in Node.js, Express.js, or Restify. ability to build UI elements to JavaScript object models, experience creating RESTful services with Node.js, proficiency in OOPS and database concepts, proven experience in front and back end development, ability to create front end applications using HTML5, Angular, less and SAS. Okay, knowledge of modern frameworks and design patterns, ability to create unit and integration tests to ensure the quality of code, strong problem solving skills, good communication skills, strong analytical thinking, self motivation, and strong will and discipline. So, MERN stack developers usually have a bachelor's degree. Okay, this can be in computer science or it can be in IT or related field. You can also find a job without a degree, but you must showcase exceptional skills and knowledge of MongoDB, Express, JS, React, and Node.js. So these are the things, guys. If you wanted to be a Monstack developer, at first you need to understand what is the job role of a Monstack developer. And in PCS Global, we are providing the training. I have already talked about the responsibilities of a Monstack developer. And if you have any kind of any bachelor's degree, you can join in Monstack technology. Okay, and you can gain the knowledge about Monstack. So this is for now. Kindly subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, and comment below.